In this video, we'll look at how you can add a data object to a contact using the API. So for example, I've got my contact here, Martha, and I want to add a new opportunity for this contact using the API because it's triggered from another system or a web form, whatever it is that's the cause of the trigger. So you can find the API document at macanta.org/docs/API. And all is explained in there. And I'm using, in our examples, I'll be using Zapier for this. But of course, you can send your webhook from any system as long as that. So let's go and start. So the first thing we need is our URL. So I'll just copy this here and go into Zapier to set that up. So that's the URL we're going to post to, but of course we need to replace app name with our actual app name, and that is in the URL before the .macanta CRM. So I'll copy that bit and I'll paste that in there. And payload type we want is JSON. And then I can go and start adding my items. So first one I want to add is the API key. I'm then also going to need a contact ID, tell the system which contact to add. I need to say what type of data object it's going to be, which is connected group. And what's the relationship? It's going to be connected relationship. And then if I want to set any of my field values, I also need to send them across. So let's have a look. We can set opportunity stage and opportunity description and opportunity type. We'll set, so I'll copy these over just as they are. Oh, I've just clicked the wrong one. Sorry, let me do that. Add a new one. And I know I want opportunity description. And I also want opportunity type. Okay, so where do we get our API key from? We go back to our app and under admin, under data tools and API, we can just go and copy that and put that into here. And then our contact ID, now you would likely get that from another step in the API by adding the contact or querying via the email address. But I'm just going to select here for this contact. I know it's contact 32. The contact group is whatever this tab is called, opportunities. And that will be likely to be different for you. The relationship that it can be depends on the available relationship. So in our app, we can have sales rep, sales manager, client, or key contact. Client. Spelling. What stage do we want it to be? I'm going to set this to new opportunity. We'll go for a description of new opportunity from API. And then the opportunity type, I just need to see what's available. And I can see in my, here, I can have single user, SMB or enterprise. So let's just put in SMB. Okay. And I then send that information over to Macanta, test and review. We come back green. I've got an item ID there, so it looks like that's all worked fine. So let's just go and refresh that contact. And we go to opportunities, and there we can see this contact now has an opportunity, new opportunity from API, SMB, and relationship is client. So that is how you would add a data object to a contact using the API, and please refer to the API documents if you need any further details.